Hello, hi everyone. We are going to install Brave browser in our blackarch Linux machine. To install Brave browser, go to the terminal and type yay-yes brave bin and then press enter. Why is going to install Brave browser in our machine via Arch user repository. Why is Arch user repository helper only. So you have to press enter after this, and then again press enter after this. It starts installing the Brave browser. And give your password to the machine and press enter, and it starts installing Brave browser in your machine. It has been done. We have to check whether the Brave browser is installed in our machine or not. Close the terminal, go to the menu, internet, look at this Brave